Good evening, all. So, thanks for joining to our first members meeting. So, let me present about our NGO Money the Cerebral activities. So, we are named as Money the Cerebral. It means wings of human. So, we named because who are helping others, they will have a wings. Normally, angels will have a wings, but uh, we are whenever we are also helping each other to live their life, we are also having the same wings. So in that concept, we have named our team name also Mani the Siragugal. So our tagline is feathers of hope flock together. So it means all each and every member is a feather to us. So for our wings, we are to fly means we need all the feathers. The unity of the feathers we require to fly high, to lift the other person high. So thanks for being a feather for our team Mani Desaragagar. Let me share a cutie story. Yeah, little story about our NGO, why we have started this. On the year starting of this year, 2021, we we three people, me, Brito Amalraj, then my friend Rajesh Khanna, as is my office mate too. Then my friend Alexander. So we had a conversation uh, how to do essential to our society with the joint hands. So we three members actually, like you people, we are also individually contributing to the society. Since we are doing individually, we can't able to do more than our standard. So each one is having some limitations. So we had a thought why we can't join with the like-minded peoples so that we can contribute to the society more. So in that thought only we have thought to started. As a result, we had a multiple round of online meeting. Then finally, on the 2nd of April 2021, we have started this NGO called Money Desaragar. Initially, we had multiple names, suggestions like Companion Hands, Tolami Karangal, it means, and Friendship, Nanbargal, like that. We got some different names. In that, we have given these names to the our trust members. Then finally, they have voted for the name Mani Desaragal. So since we three people initially discussed, but we give, given this task to the our core members. We are joined nearly 10 members as a core members. So we 10 people had a multiple discussions. Based on that, we formed this group, and finally we reached nearly 100 plus members. Now 108 members are there in our WhatsApp group. So it's all is each and every feather is uh, must required for our team to grow high. So our core members like Mr. Kabir Akbar, Mr. Anthony, Mr. Alexander, Mr. Rajesh Khanna, Miss Priscilla, Miss Manju, Mr. Prabhu Sekumari, Mr. Karthikeyan, Mr. Anthony. Like that, we have nearly 10 members as a Mr. and Mr. Arumugam. Like that, we have 10 members in our core team. So all are contributing equally to our NGO. So it's not like these people started, these people are a member, and these people are core members. So all are equally contributing to our Manida Circle. So with the union joint like-minded people, we are growing and we are serving to the society. So I once again thank you all for being there in this group for last 3.5 months. So we are going to cross 100 days soon. So together what we have did in last 3.5 months. So let me tell what are the activities we have done. So in left hand side top corner, the total fund we have raised is 2,25,651. Total requirement is 6,03,251. That total requirement actually came from one health requirement. Actually we are targeting one baby's operation, heart operation, baby Mridula. So for that only it was a little bit high. So right in top corner we have mentioned in April month we raised 2 requests, and May month we had 3 requests, June 2 requests, and July actually it's 1 request, but it's a collection of all education campaign. So actually in July month we are raised for 5 kids school education purpose. So as of now we have contributed in education, food, as well as health. So totally this category wise for education we have raised 63,451, and the full amount we have raised and we have contributed to all the kids. Then for food we have raised 34,600. All the amount are provided as food provisions. So many people they are inside home, but they have faced they can't come out actually. So those kind of people are also poor people. So we have founded post verification, and we are try to contribute to these verified peoples with all your help. So we, instead of giving one time food, we actually gave food nearly 1,000 rupees per family, so they can able to feed them at least 10 days or 15 days based on our food materials. So this is what we have contributed under food. Then under health we received 2 requests, one for baby Mirdala for heart surgery, and another for a cancer patient. So unfortunately we lost that cancer patient due to severity of cancer. So post that we have dropped that campaign. And for baby Mirdala we are going to have a surgery on August 20th. Because of this COVID situation and oxygen shortage, then baby also had a chicken pox. So due to that multiple reasons, operation was postponed, which supposed to happen on April or May month itself. So that is why the requirement is high. So even though we are collected nearly 1,20,000 for baby Mirdala, so in future we will try to proceed this with our friends and relatives to contribute. So it's outside of our members collection now. So thanks for with your support only we can be able to achieve this. So within this period of 3 months we have able to done this much means that is clearly with all your support only. So without your support we can't do anything in this regard. So thanks to one and all. Even if you have contributed for 100 rupees, uh, to we have received till 35,000. So everyone who are contributed, it's a milestone for us to achieve these targets. So thank you so much. So this is a pie chart which we can able to see how much percentage we have contributed for the peoples. So left hand side we can see, so 90% of persons we have contributed of food. So for one family we may have 3 to 5 persons. So if you take like that means we have contributed nearly 100 plus persons for food alone. For education 5 kids benefited, and for health 2 persons. So actually is one is not less, so 1 person. So overall status, our completed status is 75%, and active status is 12. That is for the heart operation of baby. Then we cancelled another person because of that cancer. So totally our active thing is 12%. So almost we are done for whatever campaign we have raised. We have almost done for all the things. So along with this, actually we are able to do COVID care emergency support information during the critical COVID time. When we started this NGO on April, post that on April end and all, we have severe spread of COVID in India. So we are also try to support as much as possible to find out the hospital beds, oxygen support, or medicine related queries. We try to get some contacts and we are shared to the request peoples. Uh, so we try to contribute whatever way is possible to help them. Then we have shared multiple job related informations in our group. So mostly these job requests are coming from our own companies. So whichever is the companies we are working, we try to get so this and all real time jobs availability. Also we have forwarded for our job related request which we have verified. Whoever is sharing with us, we will verify, then only we are forwarding to this group. Few our resumes we are forwarded through this campaign, and we sent to our HRs. So it's under processing. So we don't know who will get the job and in future. So hopefully someone will benefit through this. Through our NGO, we have donated 3 patients for blood requirement. So I really thankful for all the 3 donors who came forward and to help the in this critical situation. So in COVID situation, no one is coming forward to give their bloods. But even though we are able to achieve this, is all because of uh, these 3 donors. So we are uh, we salute all these 3 donors from bottom of our heart. Also we are conducting talent sharing related things like drawing and painting classes for kids, especially for our NGO trust members kids. So we will give a weekly free classes to them, so to enhance their creativity. And also we are giving uh, free yoga training. So we have a master Yani Desh for giving breathing exercises free to our NGO members, and he's actually a music director too. So we try to get classes related to music very soon to our kids or who are interested in music. And also we have a yoga free yoga training, that yoga exercises, asanas for adults and kids. We have a new master with our team, Miss Ankita. So she is a she's doing yoga for the last 15 years, and last 5 years she is teaching all over India. Even overseas also she is having customers, and she is teaching uh, to many peoples. So we can able to give this kind of trainings, and in future we are going to have a different categories, whichever way we can we have masters with us, we have a good trainers with us. We will try to implement one by one in future. So we are now, as of now, since the COVID situation, we are formed in WhatsApp group only. We did not have a direct meet one to one. So you can reach with this following contacts and our Gmail ID manitha.siragagal@gmail.com. If you have any queries towards us or any requirement, you can share to a request to this mail ID. And also we are not very active in social media, but we started our account. So we have Facebook, Twitter, as well as Insta account. We are very active in YouTube. So whatever the drawing classes or yoga which we are going, which we are going to upload our videos in our YouTube channel. So you can use this YouTube channel and you can like and subscribe, so that we will try to utilize our social media also in big platform. So as of now we are 100 plus for this counting. So as a whole we can give a smile to needy families, needy persons, needy child, or who are required education. We will build a happy nation with all your support. So I request one and everybody who came forward to attend this first members meeting, and thank you very much for being part of our NGO. So with all your support, we will go ahead and we can reach high and we will fly high. Thank you all.
Presentation over now. So if you have any queries or about our activities, or how we can able to forward this particular trust, so if you have any suggestions, we are welcome to know that. So now the time is yours. So we have our core members, Alan, Alexander is there, Manju is there, Rajesh Khanna is there. So anybody have any suggestions or comments, you can tell.
Hey, hi, Brito. Good evening. Rajesh Khanna. Brito, sorry, you know what? Stuck in somewhere off a roadside, and here it is a bit of noisy. There are some celebrations happening around.
Okay,
so
no
I'll
problem. So Alex, any words to say?
First of all, I really appreciate to Mr. Brito and all other groups. This is a nice initiative, and then the effect from the presentation and the fasting our activities, like our social behaviors, helping, and then blood donations. All of the activities are that is very tremendous. So we need much better participants, and like other members, like Manitha Siragagal, all members. to participate this upcoming activities likewise. So that is my aware. And then once again, I thanks to all the brothers. And then try to initiate in future goals and all the social behaviors and activities. So thank you all.
Thank you, Alex. Thanks for sharing. And Kabir, Mr. Kabir, any words to say?
Hi, Brito. Hi, everyone. What to say is a good question. I had been listening all throughout what Brito and Alex have been saying. They have actually covered all the points here. See, I mean, my view is only one thing. Each and every one, they definitely have this instinct in their own conscious. So they would be requiring to help, but they do not know how to or where to. So our group, we are actually trying to give that platform to each and everyone. We have contacts where we get in people who need help, and we validate those requests before forwarding to the group. So it makes us easy that we can help people, right people, I would say right people. And the authenticity of reaching the actual needy person is also 100% here. So we have been doing this all these months, 3.5 months we have been doing it. And I guess we have already funded many students' education, and we were able to help few medical causes as well, and few blood donation as Brito was mentioning. And we will look forward to help many others in this society. And it is always said that what we take from society, we will have to give it back to them as well. So we have, as a person, we have taken a lot, and it is our duty to give it back to the society as well. We should be helping needy people, whichever way it is, monetary help or being there for them, whatever it is, we should be helping it. And let us try and help people as much as we can. Thanks, Brito.
Thanks, Kabir, for sharing your thoughts. Miss Manju, anything you want to share?
Hi everyone. Actually, what to say, like in this 3 months we have been able to do like lot of good things. So this teamwork has to be continued forever. We have to do a lot of more things in future.
Thank you, Minju. Thanks for your wishes. Mr. Armugam, you can able to speak now. Okay, I think he's not able to speak. I think he's at office, already told to me. And any other doubts? Okay, so we will wind up now. So thanks for being part of this group, and we will, with all your support, we will go ahead and we can achieve more things to give good service to our society. So thank you all. Thanks for joining.
Thank you all.